Lots and lots happening in the crypto space today. We're going to be talking Bitcoin. We're going to be talking Twitter. We're going to be talking IOST. Binance artwork is also in the news, as is Chiliz CHZ. Polygon has some very important updates we'll be discussing. Robinhood is also in the news right now. And Lukso, one of our favorite NFT ecosystems. We'll also be discussing Ethereum as well as OpenAI and updates to ChatGPT that are affecting the very rapidly growing crypto AI field. We'll also take a look at one of my personal favorite altcoins, Chainlink. Here's your Altcoin Buzz news. Welcome to the channel. My name is Maddie and this is Altcoin Buzz. We want to inform you as much as possible in these videos, but just remember, I am not a professional financial or investment advisor. Could you tell? As such, just remember, this video does not represent official financial or investment advice. Let's kick off with some brief Bitcoin news. We talked yesterday about how the number of millionaires in Bitcoin specifically, that metric itself is up 140% ever since BTC got back up above the 20K mark. But right now, as I record, the price of Bitcoin, as you can see, is teetering at about $23,300. It's being kind of indecisive right now, and there's not a major story to talk about per se, but you should know that there's $710 million worth of BTC options that are expiring this week. So the price is going to be a little bit schizophrenic, perhaps, in a lead up to that precise moment. We'll keep you updated with important developments as they occur. Here's another quick story that's developing. So Jack Dorsey, who used to be at the head of Twitter, of course, and is a major Bitcoin bull, talks about Bitcoin as the money of the internet. So Dorsey's decentralized Twitter rival has now officially entered the App Store. The interface of Jack Dorsey's decentralized Twitter alternative, Bluesky, resembles the look of Elon Musk's social media platform. And I'm only mentioning this because it's almost certain that eventually integration with, if not Bitcoin, some other form of cryptocurrency is going to be popularized, is going to be pushed on this platform. Details are kind of scant right now, but this is another one that we're going to want to keep our eyes on. All right, moving right along, here's a pretty big story for IOST, who have just announced a strategic partnership with none other than Amazon Web Services. So the IOST network's native token, IOST, increased recently by 8.65% after their business disclosed that they had reached an agreement to integrate with Amazon Web Services. Now, according to the statement, the network would make use of AWS's AI, that's artificial intelligence technologies, and decentralized internet architecture. Everybody is just jumping into this AI game lately, it seems. Speaking of which, we have this news out of Binance that's launching their so-called Bicasso, that's Picasso with a B, which is an AI, artificial intelligence NFT generator. This is a pretty unique story here. Check this out. Okay, so Binance announced the beta launch of Bicasso. This is an AI-powered non-fungible token generating platform. And this latest move by Binance comes amid much hype, of course, around artificial intelligence-linked tools and crypto tokens, which have been exploding lately. So the Bicasso NFT generator needs user inputs, an image and a prompt, in order to create an AI-made NFT. Soon after Binance's CEO Changpeng Zhao made the announcement about Bicasso's beta going live, users flooded the platform. And of course, this led to long wait lines due to heavy traffic on the site. Now, Binance's newly launched AI NFTs reached a cap of 10,000 NFT mints, but that was just 2.5 hours. So it only took 150 minutes to reach that 10,000 cap after launch. Moving right along, let's now discuss Chiliz. They've set up a $50 million incubator. It's called Chiliz Labs. And the idea here is that it's going to support early stage Web3 sports and entertainment projects that build on the company's Layer 1 blockchain, which was launched in February. Now, the incubator and accelerator program promises to provide funding and strategic guidance to assist these projects in achieving their goals. And these projects are going to include non-fungible token ticketing pilots, athlete-focused fan tokens, and Web3 infrastructure partners building for sports and entertainment. Chiliz has announced LYXE and FanFest as the first companies to build on the new chain, with 8 to 10 more enterprise-level projects to come. Those are in the pipeline. Expect to hear more about that soon. For all the Matic fans out there in the Altcoin Buzz army, let's get into the Polygon news now. They've just rolled out their DID product, which is powered by ZK Proofs. So, Polygon has recently launched Polygon ID. This is a Web3 identity service that enables applications built on blockchain tech to validate users' credentials without risking any personal data. Now, the Polygon ID self-sovereign identity infrastructure stack is going to bring developers one step closer to resolving really the problem of digital trust. The official release states that the use of Polygon ID could be advantageous in compliance use cases such as Know Your Customer or KYC processes. That's required for centralized exchanges for the most part. Also permissioned DeFi protocols as well as fiat payment gateways facilitating on and off ramps. Now, this can be used in a lot of different ways. It can be implemented in customer onboarding for e-commerce platforms, for password-free logins, for use by banks as a method to issue under-collateralized loans, and of course, use in DAOs. And additionally, it can be used in conjunction with Polygon's wallet. Relating now to our news about Polygon, we're going to be talking about Robinhood, and specifically 0x, ticker ZRX. That token has soared 20% on Robinhood, given Polygon's partnership. So here's the story. 0x Labs have announced the launch of TX Relay API beta on Polygon and Ethereum, and with Robinhood Wallet as the first partners to simplify the crypto trading process. 0x Labs said in a tweet that the new TX Replay API is powering crypto trades on the Robinhood Wallet, and it enables users to trade without the complexities of loading wallets across multiple blockchains. And the firm noted that customers are required to hold each blockchain's native token in order to pay for transactions. The TX Relay API allows developers to provide better crypto experiences by building more flexible user interfaces, which of course helps to improve adoption into the Web3 ecosystem. And so 0x Protocol's native token, ZRX, that soared by 20% after the Robinhood and Polygon partnership. And by the way, the trading volume has also increased by 900% in the last 24 hours, which of course indicates a massive increase in interest among traders. All right, on to one of my favorites now, Chainlink, ticker LINK, LINK. Chainlink is targeting Web2 developers with the new platform launched. Let's dig into this here. So Chainlink has launched Chainlink Functions. This is a powerful new Web3 serverless developer platform. And with Chainlink Functions, developers can connect their decentralized applications or smart contracts to any Web2 API and run custom computations on it in minutes using Chainlink's highly secure and reliable network. And the new platform is going to allow for customizable computations on Web2 APIs. It's going to happen very quickly. And it's expected that this addition will go a long way in the adoption of Chainlink, which is, of course, focused heavily on the smart contract space. Very recently, the blockchain's core team also revealed plans to pivot to the artificial intelligence sector in order to tap into AI-related use cases. And just a quick aside here, we've identified a long time ago that multi-chain was going to be a major theme, a really major important factor in terms of the success of crypto projects in 2023. Here we have another example of a token doing really well in that space. So open source protocol Ren Token surged 18% amid rising interest in multi-chain projects. More artificial intelligence talk now for just a sec. So we're talking about OpenAI here. They've released a ChatGPT API. It's just been unveiled. And the idea here is that a ChatGPT API is going to allow developers to integrate the technology into their applications. So it's looking more and more likely that this AI craze is only just getting started. Metamask here with a quick update from yesterday. So on March 1st, they were excited to celebrate the early access launch of Hyperplay.xyz. This is a game launcher that brings Metamask into native games. Check it out and follow @Metamask on Twitter for more information. Ethereum now is in the news. Their mainnet supports an audited variation of the ERC-4337 account abstraction standard that was developed by the Ethereum Foundation. The new standard, formerly known as ERC-4337, was deployed via a smart contract called Entry Point. That's according to data on the Blockchain Explorer website, Etherscan. Now, part of the reason why ERC-4337 was so easy to deploy is because the upgrade was made via the addition of smart contracts. So it didn't really require any changes to Ethereum's underlying programming, which would be complicated, of course, to implement. And really, this proposal just adds a new layer on top of Ethereum's mainnet layer. The goal here is to eventually integrate account abstraction into the main protocol. And finally, we are big fans of Lukso here at Altcoin Buzz, ticker LYXE, and their NFT ecosystem. In case this project has been on your radar here, you should be made aware of this tweet from yesterday on March 1st. They tweeted, Anticipation has been building up for our last mainnet article, and we'd like to share an update on the tools and processes we are now finalizing before our article is released, which will officially mark the mainnet start procedure. Let me know, guys, in the comments what your favorite story was from today. Hope you have a happy Thursday, a good tail end to your week. Stay safe out there. As always, hope to see you again soon in our next video.